Hi, I'm Joanna. I'm going to tell you about Zwilling Twin Signature knives today. They're made in Solingen, Germany using a special formula steel that's designed just for Zwilling to make sure you can get the sharpest blade possible, one that starts sharp and stays sharp, but is also incredibly durable, so it won't rust and it won't chip. On this one, the blade runs from the very tip to the end here, so you get a full tang the whole way, and then it's very specifically ground from the spine to the edge, so you get great balance. They're very comfortable knives. And then what you can see in the handle is the mark of the twins. The twins were actually registered by Zwilling in 1731 in the Cutler's Guild in Solingen, Germany. That's the year before George Washington was born. These are great knives. They come in chef's knives and bread knives, paring knives. One of my favorites is the prep knife. They're very, very comfortable. So whether you're cutting up some stuff for breakfast in the morning or making a big dinner for lots of people, they're really comfortable to use.